Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at artificial intelligence website builders. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So just before we take a look at the artificial intelligence website builders, let's get a clear understanding on what artificial intelligence is. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, refers to computer systems or machines that are designed to perform tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence. So at a basic level, AI systems are programmed to think, learn, reason, and make decisions in a way that mimics human cognition and behavior. Some key aspects of artificial intelligence include machine learning. So AI systems have the ability to learn from data experiences without being explicitly programmed. As they process more data over time, these systems continuously improve their capabilities. Next key aspect is natural language processing. This allows AI systems to understand, interpret, and generate human languages. For example, voice assistants like Siri use NLP to listen, interpret requests, and respond appropriately. Next key aspect is computer vision. Now this involves AI systems processing and analyzing visual data, that'll be like images and videos to identify objects, also scenes and faces, and so on. It powers applications like image classification and self-driving vehicles. Lastly, we have problem solving. AI can apply complex logical reasoning capabilities to solve problems in a creative, unconventional way. Skills that typically require human discretion and judgment. So, in summary, what have we learned from artificial intelligence? AI refers to the broader concept of machines carrying out tasks considered to require intelligence when performed by humans. Things like learning patterns, understanding language, reasoning logically, or visual perception. So the ultimate goal is to create systems capable of emulating advanced human intelligence abilities. So let's take a look at some of the key ways artificial intelligence is used with website builders. So starting off with our first one, which is the analysis and testing. Site analytics leverage AI to detect usage patterns and suggest data-driven improvements. AI-driven A to B testing allows easier experimenting and refinement of page design and content. Next up is the chatbots and personalization. Integrating an AI-powered chatbot adds natural language conversational abilities to communicate with site visitors, as well as AI tools power personalized content recommendations matching user profiles. Next one up is the search optimization. So AI algorithms automatically optimize pages and site architecture to improve search rankings. This will include generating meta descriptions and tagging content based on relevancy and popularity. And this is especially good for when you are building a website on a website builder like Wix and you just want easy generated meta descriptions as well as any URLs, then AI algorithms is there to automatically optimize these pages. Next up is the performance and security. So AI monitors traffic in real time to scale hosting infrastructure when demand fluctuates. So it also filters malicious bot activity and adapts firewall rules, which is great, so as this maintains speed and security. So you can see that there's several different key ways artificial intelligence is used with these website builders. So now that we've got a clear understanding on what artificial intelligence is, as well as the key ways artificial intelligence is used for websites, we'll go ahead and take a look at some of the best website builders that you can use that have artificial intelligence in it. So starting off with our first artificial intelligence website builder, Wix. Now Wix is that website builder that leverages artificial intelligence to simplify and enhance the website creation process. While the specific ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence feature may no longer be available, Wix continues to incorporate AI-driven elements to assist users in various aspects of website development. Now, for those who don't know about Wix ADI, so as I said, it is an abbreviation for Artificial Design Intelligence. Wix would simply ask you a few questions in different pages, your business name, a bit of information on your business. That could include your phone number, your email, the name of your business, and as well as that, it asks you to choose a specific theme. And when you're done, it creates and fully builds a website for you. You can choose to have services, you can choose to have a one-page website, a blog type website, so it incorporated quite a few different templates in that artificial design intelligence. Now, let's just get an understanding of the overview on what Wix is all about. Firstly, it's a user-friendly interface. So Wix is celebrated for using its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, and it enables users, regardless of their technical expertise, to design and customize websites effortlessly. So you can only imagine how well artificial intelligence is when it comes to this specific website builder. And as well as that, the templates and design flexibility is great. It offers diverse different templates, as you can see in front of us. We have the option for a blank canvas. We have the options to take a look at some of the different templates it has to offer. And for those who don't know as well, Wix Studio is a new platform that users can now use. And what Wix Studio has is AI-powered design suggestions. So you do have incorporated AI-driven design suggestions, which we'll demonstrate later on. These sort of recommendations help users enhance the aesthetics and functionality of their websites. So whether it's improving your overall layout, or suggesting font pairings, or optimizing image placements, Wix provides the valuable guidance for creating visually appealing websites. Now, as well as that, of course, with this drag and drop editor or drag and drop website builder, you do have your app market as well. You've got hosting and domain services, as well as e-commerce capabilities, SEO tools as well, blogging, and support and resources. So it's completely packed full of features. I would say it's one of the most recommended to use, especially if you are that sort of person that's not too technical with building a website. Then a drag and drop builder like this is perfectly great, especially if you're starting off. So let's take a look at the overall editor of Wix Studio. So I'll go ahead and select a blank canvas, and we'll open up Wix Studio here. So now that we've fully loaded into the website, one of the things that I want to demonstrate is the responsive AI in Wix Studio. So I've just picked out a section here. You can see on the top you'll get this little tag called responsive AI. If you click on it, you can add elements in. So just say that we added a couple of shapes in, like so, and then if we selected the specific area, we can generate some responsive design. So what's great about the AI is that it will completely speed up the process of development. You can see how it's adding some padding, some margins as well, and that means that it becomes more responsive to the overall section of the site. So you can see a responsive design was tailored to your section on different devices. So use the handles to preview the section's responsive behavior on all breakpoints. So this is the overall handle you'll see on the right side here. So if I move that left and right, you can see how it's becoming responsive. And if I go into the tablet version, you can see how well the overall layout is. Now, one of the areas that Wix Studio promises is the fact that there is AI within SEO tag suggestions. And as well as this, that it is live at the minute, but you can get robust built-in image editing. So stay in design flow by adding, erasing, and replacing objects directly from the platform. You've also got flexible site building options and seamless layout alternatives, AI-driven insights, and marketing campaign builder. So all these are still to come. We could see a small process on how the AI does work with the editor. And as well as that, we can just get a insight on the SEO. Everything has been changed in terms of that, and AI is there to assist. So I would say that this is definitely one of the best website builders that you can use, especially the fact that there is artificial intelligence integration into the website builder. Just makes it a better website development tool to use. So our next website builder is called Webflow. Webflow is a web design and development platform that empowers users to create professional websites with a high degree of customization and control. Now, Webflow is known for its visually oriented approach to web design and its ability to generate clean custom code. However, Webflow doesn't typically feature a traditional AI website builder like Wix. Instead, it's currently in the stages of integrating AI to Webflow. As you can see with this blog or article by Webflow themselves, they are within the early stages of integrating the AI in. We can actually gain a little bit of a preview in the AI stages for Webflow. So this is more of their visualization on what they would want to have. So similar to Wix, however, kind of not. It's more to do with the fact that if you ask for something, then it'll change parts. So if you ask for areas like how you would change padding, how you would change margin, flex direction, as you can see, the background color and class, it's able to give you a direct approach or information based on what you need. And by the looks of things, with what Webflow wants, it's wanting to have AI as a co-pilot for your overall website. So you can see how it can help you fix grammar, how you can maybe shorten the length of some text. So say if you have a hero section and you may want to simplify it a little bit better, AI is there to co-pilot the development of your website. Now if we scroll down even more, we could see that it can create auto-generated optimized SEO. It can create auto-generated image alt tags to improve accessibility. And by the looks of things as well, you can also use AI to integrate text, styling, content to multiple elements at once, which is a handy tool to have. And based off the overall artificial intelligence integration for Webflow, it will leave the overall development with increased speed and efficiency. So skipping on ahead, we could see that they have integrated some sort of template for Webflow. So where you're able to have a site name, a category, and a description. So pretty much the same as the Wix artificial design intelligence when it was previously built in. So you would tell the website builder what your business name is, and then what sort of category you're in, and maybe a brief description of what your website is all about. So it follows the same footsteps as Wix. And that is a great thing as well. It's more to the fact that you're able to increase your speed as well as the efficiency, as we've stated. And every developer or person who's building a website would want that. But overall, this particular AI in mind for Webflow is still new, so we'd like to see how well it's been developed, and we do look forward to seeing it in the future. So our next website builder is called Webador. Now, Webador does have that integration with AI, as you can see. Webador is a website builder and a hosting platform, and it allows individuals and businesses to create and manage websites without requiring extensive technical expertise. It aims to provide a user-friendly interface and a range of tools and features for designing, building, and maintaining websites. Now, some of the key features of Webador is that the overall website builder is a drag and drop function, or has that drag and drop functionality. That completely makes it easy for users to create and customize the layout and design of their websites. You've also got templates. So the platform provides a variety of templates that users can choose, and it's great as it's a starting point for their website. And these templates can vary and cover different industries and styles. And as well as the website building side of things, you do have custom domains. So users can connect their own custom domains to their Webador websites, and that'll give them a branded and professional web address. It does have e-commerce and blog functionality, which is great. So that allows users to set up stores online, or they can create and manage blog content on their websites using Webador's built-in blogging tools. And that again is useful for content marketing and engaging with an audience. You also have SEO tools. So Webador typically offers basic SEO, and that's to help users optimize their websites for search engines, and that may include options for customizing meta tags or descriptions, and as well as that, even the URLs. And it's got your typical features like mobile responsiveness and tablet responsiveness. So websites created with Webador are created to be mobile responsive, ensuring that they display and function properly on various devices, and that'll include your smartphone or tablet or any other sort of device that you have that may be smaller from a desktop. And of course, as mentioned, they do provide hosting. So any websites are created on the platform, you'll be able to easily publish your websites online. So that's what's great about it. It's the same as Wix. It's got that hosting provider. And if you ever do get stuck with anything at all, you've got customer support, which is great. So users often have access to customer support and help resources, which can include tutorials, FAQs, and email support. But anyway, the aim of this particular website is the fact that it does have a artificial intelligence integration into it. So we'll go ahead and get started with it. So you can see here, it'll just ask us what sort of website we want to build. So a website, online store, or a blog. So those were the three things mentioned. We'll just go for the website just to keep it simple. It'll just ask us now what the website name is. So we'll just call it profile tree. And of course, it'll ask us for email and password. So I'll go ahead and skip all this, and then I'll see you guys on the editor side of things. So once you're all set up, it'll ask you how you want to get started with building your website. So we've got the pre-filled content with AI integration, or we can build an empty website. Again, it's going to be a drag and drop website builder. So regardless with what you pick, one's going to be a filled sectioned area, one's going to be an empty website, so you can decide. Anyway, for the purpose of the video, of course, we want to showcase the artificial intelligence part. So we'll go ahead with the pre-filled content. Then again, it's going to ask you what kind of business are we building. So we'll just say something to do with content marketing, or we'll just go with content writing. So the name of the business is Profile Tree. It even shows us the location. So Belfast, Northern Ireland, United Kingdom. Of course, you can edit that out if you want. So what makes your business unique? This is just an optional one, so we'll just fill this out. Now this isn't necessary. As you can see, it is optional. Go ahead and click continue. So we've got a couple of templates to choose for from here. So almost works the same as the other website builders where you get to choose the template. So we have a blank one here. Explorer. So they're basically just different templates that you can use. You can see that there are some new templates that have been added onto this, which is great as well. It's good to see. They do have a modern feel to them. So we'll just choose one. I'll go with this one. I like the look of this one. What's great about it as well is not only do you get a preview of the desktop version from this AI build, you do also get a overview of what the mobile version looks like. So we're going to go ahead and see some examples first, just before we choose this template. So these are some of the websites that are currently up. and have been used. So it gives us an overall idea of what can be achieved with this overall template. Now you don't have to choose the overall design. You can see that some of these particular websites have their own design to them, and they've just based it off what they've seen. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that template. It'll ask us whether we already have a domain name. We can see that we've got a free subdomain name, which is great to see, but I'll just set that up later on. That is the plan, so it gives you an overall idea. So I'm assuming it is, yes, it is £1 for the first 3 months, but after that, of course, it bumps up in price. So we will just choose the free plan for now. And once that's all done, you've answered all the questions that's needed. It'll go ahead and generate the page or the pages using AI, as you could see here. So looking to see how this will actually generate the entire website. So there are some website builders, of course, that build individual pages, or they would build a one-page website, and that'll all be to do with the AI. So I'll just go ahead and skip ahead and see that there's an issue here. So once you're in, Webador is, well, this is what the overall Webador editor looks like. Got our pages, we've got our design. So this was all built from AI. So it's just an auto-generated template. We've got an about page, we've got a contact page, so it's nice and simple. And we do have our mobile version. Just click home. Now again, it is just a drag and drop builder. So this is where we can go ahead and select the editor, add images, titles, products, forms, however we want onto the overall website. Again, it is an e-commerce website builder, it is a blog website builder, or just a standard website builder. So overall, it's got that AI integration. And of course, the aim of what Webador is so there you have it, guys. That is pretty much some of the simplify the process artificial intelligence website builders that are available. So overall, now there are some website integration, of course, like Squarespace, having your website on. There will be several different platforms that will have the availability of artificial intelligence. But of course, that is still to come, and it'll be a handy little tool to have, or feature to have, for a website. But guys, if you enjoyed the video or you found it helpful, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.